welcome to our new channel Art to Cut or Not, and today we are going to see if the new Earbuds of Bluedio Particle should be in our cart, and let's check. So here we are, Bluedio Powerful Sound Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds Particle. These earbuds are in global version, as you can see, many languages in both sides. And here is the overview, the Bluedio logo and all the social media of the Bluedio, QR codes, and let's check. So what we are going to find in our new box. Here we have the one pair of headphones, one charging case, one charging cable, one user manual, and of course 3 pair of ear cap. So let's check firstly the user manual in many languages, as is a global version, perfect, like English, French, Italian, Turkish, Korea, Arab, Chinese, and many others. Cool. Okay, let's check the earbuds. We can see that they are a nice design with a black and gold circle here. Oh, we can see here the Bluedio logo. And finally, let's check the charging case with the logo of the Bluedio again. Type-C for charging with a small cable. Never mind. And here is the case that we are going to put the earbuds right and left very well in order to charge them. Here we are. Very good. So let's see some things about the Bluedio Particle earbuds. The specifications is the brand Bluedio earphones type earphone. The material is ABS, and the functions support music, voice control, phone call answering, song switch, and English voice prompt. The Bluetooth version is 5.0 and the transmission rate is about the 10 meters. The battery capacity is about 650 milliampere inside the box, and the charging time for the earphone each is about 1.5 hours, and about the box needs 3 to 4 hours. The talking time are 5 to 6 hours continuously, and of course the audio is stereo because they are 2 earphones. The product weight only 0.05 kilograms and waterproof with IPX4. So the main features are Bluetooth 5 chip, bringing the lower power consumption and more stable use. Wonderful gaming experience with also no delay. Automatic pause function with face recognition technology, so you can play music when you wear headphones, and you can play music after you remove the headphones, which helps the battery power, and particles make your life more colorful and convenient. Particle can effectively prevent the damage caused by water splash in daily life. They adopt a larger 6mm driver than before to bring you better bass and clear sound quality. You can also experience the Makina Bluedio Particle Blue phone while enjoying music. Help you locate the accurate position by listening to the sound, enjoy the stereo sound when watching movies, bid farewell to the boring time on the subway, increase calorie consumption, and safe driving when exercising. Excellent headphones, not easy to drop, compact body, no flash, adapted ABS material, and of course there are 3 suitable sizes for different people: silicone earplugs and memory foam earplugs, which make wearing more comfortable. So in conclusions, are the Bluedio Particles okay to add to our cart? Well, let's check. They are VFM earbuds. They are value for money because they only cost about 17 euros in Colorsmap that we bring them, and you will find link down the description with a coupon also for a better price. So you can find them 17 euros and maybe 15 and a half with our coupon. So in this price they are perfect. I try them and I'm very happy about the buzz, about how I can hear the other person that I'm talking to the phone. So yes, for 15 and a half euros or even 17 without a coupon, yes, they're perfect, and I suppose you can add it to your cart. So this I have to tell you about today. I hope you find it interesting, and until the next video, just don't forget to stay safe. Bye bye everyone.